back to the channel. I'm fired up because this is some of my favorite ones to do right here. This is 5 of the weirdest things that you could buy at Harbor Freight. I believe that is really weird.
There's some weird stuff
there's more weird ones. I like doing them because there's tons of things there that's kind of weird. And I'm going to start out with the first one, which I think is really, really weird. You want me to go ahead and do it?
Go ahead.
All right, this one right here is an an electric
bug zapper,
fly swatter, or whatever you call it. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen at Harbor Freight because, I mean, why?
I mean, it's cool though.
I guess if it works. I mean, we didn't even put batteries in it. We hadn't even tried it yet. I don't even know how you open it or nothing.
I think it takes D batteries.
So we need to get some D batteries and try this out and just see, does it zap bugs?
I feel like it would.
Because if it does, you need to carry this around with you because you can't stand them bees that come at you. You could be like,
hey, that would be a smart idea.
Yeah, you'd zap them really good. But, you know, when you don't have a friend around that's named Flash, or is that the dude's name?
Yeah.
Then you have this right here because it's got a symbol on it.
It says Harbor Freight on it. It's funny.
Does it?
Yeah. And it's the electric fly swatter.
An electric fly swatter. I mean, I guess you swat and it has power to
you
just...
press the button while
right
swatting.
Here and just... You probably don't even have to swat them. You can touch them.
Yeah, but swatting would be more fun.
Yeah, it would. I wonder how... You know, those carpenter bees, how big of a pain they are. You'd be like... But, you know... Guys, tell me what you think. Is that weird or is this handy? I don't even know how you would put batteries in
Hey, the weird stuff can be handy.
That is true. Oh, right here. Right here it is, guys. You put the big old batteries. It takes some big... What does it say? Does it say on that?
No, I think it's D batteries.
Does it say on that inside there?
It don't say at all. I think it's D batteries, the big circle ones.
Yeah. So, guys, we need to pick some of them up. I'd like to try this thing out, to be
Or
honest
what
with
kind
you.
of batteries are those called? Those aren't D batteries. D batteries are the square ones. C batteries.
C batteries. Those big C batteries. Yeah, that might be what it is. It should say on here somewhere, but I don't know. But I believe this is a weird item that Harbor Freight sells. Comment down below what you think. Do you own one? Does it work? I don't know. I have no clue. We bought that. We hadn't even tried it yet.
We need to try it out.
We do need to try it. But I'm going to go on to the next item, okay?
Yep.
All right, this next item, I seen it and I had to get it. Because, you know, it's not just Hunter that likes small things either.
The miniature stuff?
The miniature stuff. I do like the miniature stuff. I had to get all this together right here. And guys, it is the miniature locking plier set.
Pittsburgh.
Here. Pittsburgh. I mean, you know, guys, we're going to use this in the yellow cart that we're building. You know, we're doing a budget. Now,
I might steal the needle nose from it.
No, you're not. Well, maybe you can. Okay, but guys, I seen these. I thought that's weird. That I had to have it. What would you ever use these for?
Hey, that could come in handy.
I mean, I don't know. But I thought they were cool looking, so I picked them up. I said, that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Because could you imagine? I mean, I guess it would be cool if you had some vice grips in your pocket, and you're like, someone's like, man, this nut's stuck. I can't even, it's stripped out. How can I get it off? And I'd be like, boom, right here you go, buddy.
Yep.
And then you adjust them.
Hold it in your hand out flat so you can see it, because the way you have it, you can't really tell how small. Lift it up some. Yeah, look how tiny those are. They're small.
They are, and I mean, you can lock it. I don't even know what I just done.
You tighten them up too much.
Guys, I don't know if these are any good. Oh, they lock. They lock, but they work. Their needle nose here, I had them too tight too.
I might steal those needle nose.
That might work for that third channel.
That's
situation.
what I was thinking.
But then look at these, dude.
The clamp ones.
I've never seen them so small.
I haven't either.
Look at that. I like them. I mean, they feel kind of weak, to be honest with you.
But they're miniature.
But look at that. They lock, but look how out of whack they are.
Yeah, probably because you mess with it.
Yeah, I think I tightened it too much. But, you know, they're pretty cool. I got them. Wrong way. We'll use them in the yellow box. Besides these, Hunter will take those.
Yep.
Maybe.
They
might go in the yellow box. Guys,
I'm taking
comment down below. Have you ever used these weird little set here And are they any count? Are they just junk? I mean, they look cool. That's all I'm saying. They do look
Sometimes
cool.
it's more about looking cool than being functional. Well, when
Yeah.
it comes to miniature things.
When it comes to miniature things, that is true. Because look at this. Have you ever put a pair of vice grips in your hand?
No, that's pretty crazy.
I mean, or a pair of these in your hand.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And honestly, if you had bigger hand, you could hold all three in the palm of your hand.
You really can.
I mean, that's pretty cool. That's a weird set that I seen. I said I'm picking those up, and I did. So I got them. I thought I'd use them for the yellow box. Hunter will use these. We'll see. Now I'm gonna let Hunter over here and do a couple, and then we'll see where we get with these.
Just keep on going. So before we move on to the next item, I thought we have a bonus item. I don't even think Harbor Freight sells it anymore, but when they did sell it, it was one of the weirdest things. And it's this little mini drone right here.
Check that thing out.
Can you get a close up on it? And it's in rough shape, as you could tell. We've not been kind to it. But I have the remote right here, and we're going to see if we can fly this thing and see how it goes. Ah, I just broke it. Wait, no, it's still here. Let me move it away from that because I don't know why.
That's a blade on it.
I don't know why it wants to go that way.
Put it in the palm of your hand.
No way. There we go.
It can't hurt you.
I lost. Okay, that's it. I lost another wing. So I'm not the best at flying that thing, as you could tell. But I wish Harbor Freight still sold it if they don't. But I mean, it's something really cool. But I don't think they sell it anymore.
We'll have to find that because we're going to fly at the beach off the balcony.
No, that would be bad. I'd end up hitting someone in the head. But that would not be good. So I'm going to move on to one of the next tools, and that's really weird. And it is this thing right here. This next item is like...
Does not make much sense.
It don't make much sense, and I really don't know how to explain it, but to show you every little function it does, because it's that unique. And it is this right here. It is a Pittsburgh. You see this?
What is it, though?
It's a ratchet. A T-handle ratchet. That is crazy. So there's the T-handle, and you can do all kinds of different stuff. It's a roto head. You can do it like this, and...
I guess.
You can do it that way. You can spin it like that. You can do it like this. That could come in handy. Or you can take this like this, that like that, and that like that, and go. I don't know. It's really weird because it's got the T-handle that has the locking part on the sides and in the middle, so it locks in right there. And then you have this flexible joint right here that you can go up or down like that. And then, of course, the roto head you can spin any way. So it's a very unique tool. It's just something... I don't know if there's any... much use for it. It might be one specialty type thing, but I don't see this getting used often. I mean, we've had it for a while now, and we've not used it one time.
Not one time.
Because it's very unique. That's what I'll say.
No, I'd say it's really weird.
Okay, it is really weird. But, I mean, it's kind of fun. Like, you can...
But can you add it on something like an extension?
No, I wish you could. I thought that was like that, but you cannot. Which, I mean, kind of makes sense because this would be in the way, the T-handle part. But comment down below if you use this and what you use it for, because I really have no clue
what you would ever
use it for.
Ever use that for.
Hey, I know one thing already.
What?
Behind the distributor cap, you know, tightening up that bolt, you could use it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
You could use that for that. But that's about it. I mean, I don't know many other instances you would actually use this tool right here. So if you have used it on other things, comment down below because I'd like to know what you use this on, because it is a very weird tool that Harbor Freight sells. Like, very weird. Insane.
Yeah,
weird.
it's like one of the most weirdest things I have ever seen. But he also has this other bonus item, which I do not understand why Harbor Freight sells either. Now, this right here is a Crocodile Dundee.
It is awesome. What is this?
Survival knife.
Well, yeah, that's what it's for, but I mean, I guess it's cool.
I think it has stuff inside of it.
Does it really? Let's see.
To survive. Like, is that not a compass? I don't know.
I've never messed with this before. Oh, there is a compass inside. Okay, now this just got cooler. So you got, of course, you got the knife. You know, this has a saw on it and everything. That's pretty cool. You got the compass,
Right.
which I guess you could keep on your wrist or whatever and have it where you can walk around and see what's in it. But there's actually stuff in here that I never knew this had before, because we've had this for a while. I've never opened it up because I didn't realize it had stuff inside. Oh, this has some cool stuff. Ow, something just stabbed me. Oh, something for the third channel right there that about stabbed me. There's something else in here, but it's kind of stuck, so it's going to stay.
Well, you might have to use something to get it out here in a second.
But right here, this is what stabbed me. Yeah, a fishing line and fishing hook.
Panfish.
Panfish. So you can catch you a bluegill and then catch you a bass if you had another hook. But you wouldn't. But there is something stuck in there. I just can't get it out. So it is what it is.
No, we need to know what that is.
Okay, let me figure it out. Let me use the tool that's really weird and see if I can get it out.
Are you sure something's in there?
Oh, no, that's the way the knife's made. That's a little crazy. Let me sit this down before I hurt something. But, okay, here we go. We got matches.
Can you open it? Oh, that's cool. See if they work.
No. I don't want the studio to smell like smoke. And then you, of course, got the sandpaper to light the matches in there.
That's cool.
So you get 5 matches.
So you can start 5 fires.
And then you got a sewing kit.
Wow, that's cool.
And that's it.
In case you, tear your clothes or something?
You need to sew yourself up.
Or if you hurt yourself or something,
Yeah,
you could do it.
like
Yeah.
I mean, technically you could. But that's pretty cool. You got that. And you
I
got the
wish you'd
matches.
see if the match really works, though.
No. Because I know I'll end up burning something down, and we're not doing that. And because this is a YouTube compliant channel.
Yes, it is.
Fishing line, fishing hook, that's pretty
Guys,
cool.
comment down below on the third channel. Should we put that knife right there to the test and try to survive?
And use only a compass to get around. I don't even know how to use one.
North, east, west, and south.
I know, but you got to know your destination and which way it is.
Well, if you're lost in the woods, man, I know that if I go north, I'm going toward the mountains. If I go south, I'm going toward the beach.
Depending on where you're at. Us, you could go south and be in the mountains.
Yeah, we could, because there's mountains surrounding us.
I know, but not everyone can. Where did the sheath go?
You laid it somewhere. Just lay it down somewhere.
No, I'm looking for the sheath because that's important.
You laid it over there somewhere.
Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, it comes with the sheath.
And you can put it on your belt and have a nice survival knife.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I forgot it had all that good stuff in it.
I never knew it had it in it, so that's a big surprise for me because...
But that is something weird that they sell at a tool store.
I mean, it kind of makes sense now that it's survival, but it's still weird that they have a giant knife like that. So it's pretty cool. What's that saying they say? With a knife? Like a big knife? From a movie or something?
Rambo?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But that's pretty cool. That's a bonus item we threw in there. But let's move on to the next one. And it is a ratchet. And
not just any ratchet.
That's what I was going to say. Not just any ratchet. It's the Pittsburgh ratchet.
Yeah, and show them what's weird about this
okay,
ratchet.
You think, hey, this is a normal weird looking ratchet. But not normal weird looking. It's a 1/2 inch. You know, okay, this looks normal.
Not really.
Boom! It ain't normal at all.
No, I don't understand this thing.
Like you can have it on a 90 degree.
But what in the world would you need that for?
You gotta be careful doing this because now I'll come around and hit you. But like you could do it like this if you wanted to.
I know, but what? Why?
I don't know.
Why?
It's something weird. But hey, it's pretty cool. You can do
Harbor Freight, please comment
realistic.
what the thoughts were about this tool.
You can do more realistic angles, but the funny ones are like this right there. And then of course, you got the full 90 degrees,
Yeah.
You gotta reach around something, you just I don't know.
I have no clue why that tool was ever made.
Or if you're just bored at work, you got something to do.
It could be a music instrument.
But it really could. But I mean, the grip feels really good on it.
To be honest with you, we bought this and we have never used it.
Hey, we bought it because it's weird. That's why we bought it.
We like buying weird stuff, to be honest with you. It's really fun. and interesting.
And I mean, you might end up one year coming up with an excuse to use it. We just haven't found that excuse yet. But
we ought to torture test that
just
thing.
Just look at that thing. It's so weird shaped, everything. I don't know why.
I mean, how would you store it? I mean,
I don't even know.
We don't even have an organizer for that, do we?
Oh, we do. I bet we do. Let me see. Let me do some investigation real quick.
It'd have to be the L's.
Yep, we do.
Did it work?
Yeah. I'm showing them right here.
Guys, Price Kustoms organizers, it works for it.
It works for it. So, hey, we didn't even design it that way, but it worked out for it. So, there we go. We solved the issue of organization for it. So.
Yeah, so guys, go to pricekustoms.com, pick you up some organizers.
And you can also pick up a shirt. We got hats. Not this hat. We're still wondering if we should come out with it. I know
there's one person really wanting
They're really wanting it.
So, I mean, we might come out with a very limited.
A very small drop, because these will cost a little bit more money just because they're the
tactical.
Like, it on the button on top. They cost us a lot more money to make. That's why we haven't dropped them yet. But we might drop a very limited amount very soon just for a few people that might want to get it. But it's a really cool hat. But it's not on the website right now. But we have our orange one, our black flag hat right here.
Whoa, how about that?
This one right here.
That's one of my favorites.
It's on the website.
Because you can wear this hat with anything.
And then we got, of course, our Dream Big keychain. And you know what that goes to. It goes to us building those toolboxes and giving away to high school students. That's our best, our most favorite thing to do is give away those toolboxes. So if you want to support the Dream Big movement, go get that. All the money from the keychains go into that giveaway for the high school students. It's just so cool. We really love it. So we're going to keep on going, but I'm going to let you do a few.
No, I think that you need to do them all, the rest of them.
I want to see you do this next time.
I don't know how much. Guys, he puts me up to the weirdest ones, guys.
Let's get to
all right, let's do it.
Well, I decided that I'm just going to keep on going because this next
Because he wasn't pushing that off on me, because this was difficult. I don't know what
it is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. It's a Pittsburgh screwdriver, like you put sockets on. So it comes with some sockets. You put a socket on there, and you're like, okay, that's just like a normal nut driver, you know, no big deal. Then you push this. It's extendable. Look at that. That is insane. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots, 6 adjustments in this thing. And when you think you can't get any weirder, you can also use it as an extension. You can put a quarter drive ratchet, which I'll grab one real quick.
A quarter drive?
Yes, it is a quarter drive. We'll grab the Quinn quarter drive. Okay, look at this now. So I guess the thought process is if you can't break it free by hand, you could put a ratchet on there and break it free.
Is that weird or is that genius?
It might be a little bit of both. I mean, sometimes it's that way. But, I mean, that's a unique one. It's kind of crazy, kind of weird. And it's kind of cool. Like, there's all kinds of stuff with this one.
And I think that will go... Oh, don't lose the sockets for it.
Yeah, I almost lost the socket for it. But it's adjustable, extendable, and it's like spring-loaded. So.
Should that go into the yellow toolbox?
Hey,
it could be like those wands that the police used to carry back in the day.
Oh, yeah. Time to use half-inch drive. You know? Yeah. That's funny. But this is pretty cool. The Pittsburgh, it has a great rubber grip on it. Like, this grip feels better than most of their screwdrivers. So
guys, comment down below if you have one of these.
But you got the bits for it, the sockets for it. So there it is. That's pretty cool. So guys, comment down below which one of these is the weirdest tool. There's some that we wanted to have in this video, but we didn't have them at this moment. So that just
we got lost track working today and did not have time to get the Harbor Freight.
But you know what that means?
That means another one's coming.
Another weird tool video will be coming if you guys like it. So comment down below if you like these type of videos. I think they're fun to film because we have fun, especially with the drone, even though I broke it once again. But
well, look at this, guys. I want to show them you think it's been broke once or Hunter's not very good at flying this thing.
Not this one. This one, you can't really control. It just does what it wants. So, it is what it is. But what do we serve around here?
It don't cost a bit more to dream big than it does little.
And I'll dream big.
Because I serve.
A big God.
Guys, make sure you comment down below what you think. And we'll appreciate you and see you next time.
Peace.